Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
This gentleman.
This is my father.
Oh,
Grace.
thank you very much.
My mother.
So you are all fortunate. You have got such a nice son.
Thank you.
Yes. And he is giving you the best service by becoming Krishna conscious.
Service.
Don't think that he is out of home, he is lost. No. He is giving you the best service.
Well, we're very pleased with him and with what's happening. We thank you for helping him find happiness and serenity, which he was able to find through your order.
Thank you. They are very good boys.
What's amazing to me is where you get the strength to keep the pace that you have. Tell me how you do that. I'm somebody because you're a junior and I have a difficult pace keeping.
The process is genuine. The process which I recommend and they follow, then it is here.
Yeah, he's saying that our lifestyle will enable you to have that strength also by worshiping God.
Just like the physician, he gives you medicine and he gives you the process, the dose, how to take the medicine, how to take diet. If the patient follow, then he is cured.
Here you listen. Diligently.
That is the opportunity human life. This process of God realization can be accepted by human being. It doesn't matter where he is born, either in India or outside India, it doesn't matter. Any human being can take it up. That is the difference between the animal life and human life. The animal, the dog, he knows how to bark only, that's it. He cannot be taught about this process. But a human being can be. He has got that intelligence. Every human being. So in this human form of life, if we do not take this process, how to become Krishna conscious, then we remain dogs. Because we are losing the opportunity.
What is it that Krishna's consciousness has that offers people so much more than other religions?
This is religion. I have already explained. Religion means to become lover of God. That is religion. When there is no love of God, that is not religion. Religion means, I have already explained, to know God and to love Him. So if you do not know what is God, where is the question of loving Him? So that is not religion. It is going on in the name of religion. Religion means to know God and to love Him. Dharmantu sakshad bhagavat pranitam. Can you find out this verse? Given. You don't find?
Yes, 319.
Third chapter, 19.
Karmam tu sakshad bhagavat pranitam navai vidur rishayo nasi deva nasidhamukya asura manusya kutonu vidyadara charanadaya.
Brahmantu Sakshat Bhagavat-panitam. The principles of religion is given by God. Just like law. Law means the process of activities which is given by the government. You cannot make law at home. Is it clear?
No, I'm having a language problem, I'm afraid. Or hearing both.
It says that law means that which is given by the government. You can't make your own law at home. So similarly, religion means that which is enunciated by the Lord. You can't make up your own process.
So I guess I'm missing the point. My question was,
Well, that's all right, we can.
what does the Hare Krishna consciousness have to offer that other religions don't have to offer as far as...
And this is offering that you want to be religious. So you try to understand religious principles from God. Because if one is lawyer, if one wants to become a lawyer, he must learn laws which is given by the government. He cannot become a lawyer at home. Similarly, if you want to become religious, you must learn what is religion from God. You don't manufacture your own religion. That is not religion. This is the first principle. But if I do not know what is God, what is the order given by God, then what is religion? That is going on. Everyone is manufacturing his own religion. This is the modern method. The religion is private. Anyone can accept any type of religion. That is liberalism. Is it not?
Yes.
Just convince me.
So do you understand? The idea is that this Hare Krishna movement is based on authority of the Vedas, and the Vedic literatures are coming directly from Krishna. So we only accept as truth what Krishna says, and we don't accept anybody's mental concoctions or speculations as being truth. And this is the problem with so many other religious movements today, that they depend on the interpretation or the philosophy of some ordinary man. So this is the primary differential.
We don't say anything which is not spoken by God in the Bhagavad-gita. Therefore it is appealing everywhere. Although it is in Sanskrit language, still it is appealing. Just like if you go on the street and if the signboard is keep to the
right.
Keep to the right. This is law. I cannot say what is wrong if I keep to the left. Then I am criminal. You cannot dictate. The government has said, keep to the right. You have to do that. That is law. If you violate, then you are criminal. Pay fine. But ordinarily, one may think, what is wrong there? Instead of keeping right, if I keep to the left. He may think like that, but he does not, that is criminal.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.